the advantages of giving time to your customers.
Plan A. Guillermo, could you read the bullets there where it talks about each plan?
Plan A costs a basic fee of $29.95 per month and 10 cents per message. Plan B costs a basic fee of $90 and 20 cents per month and has text messages. Plan C costs a basic fee of $49.95 per month and 5 cents per message. All plans offer unlimited calling. Calling on nights and weekends are free. Long distance calls are included.
Okay, go up to Plan A. Put a box around the $29.95 a month. And then a second part to Plan A is text message. This particular plan, it's the text that you get charged more for. Plan B, $90 per month. Wow, that's a lot more. But what do you see for text message? What does that mean you're charged? Nothing. It's already incorporated into the price. So the price is a lot more. But if you're a person who does a lot of text messages, it may pay off if you were paying 10 cents each before. Plan C, what does it say? How much per month?
$49.95.
How does that compare to the other two? How does Plan C, base price, compare to the other two? Bigger?
$20 under.
$20 under what?
$20 over $29.95.
Okay, 20 over the bottom one. How about the top one? How far under the top one is it? It's about 30 under the top one, yes? So it's in between these two. Does it? Do you have an add-on price? What's the add-on price?
5 cents per text message.
Okay. All right. So you have base price. This is kind of like the dough and cheese, the base price on a pizza. And then this is the topping price. This depends on something else. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to analyze each plan by coming up with some hypothetical values. For example, Plan A. First of all, let's think about it. How many texts, Sam, how many texts do you think you send in a month?
I couldn't tell you. I don't know.
Ballpark.
Just like 500.
500. Okay? So, let's see. That's a ballpark. I can tell some people are going to have a bigger number than that. How do we figure out the cost of Plan A? How do I figure out what to put right here in this box? What's Sam's bill going to cost? Cost of Plan A, $29.95 a month and 10 cents per text message. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. That's $29.95 plus. How much are we going to add on?
10 times 500.
Well, wait a minute. This is in dollars, and that's in cents. How can we write this so it'll match that amount? What are we going to add? What does 10 cents look like? 0.10 times 500. Okay, so plus 0.10 times 500. Okay, I'll get the calculator out to help me. Clear. 29.95 plus 0.10 times 500 equals $79.95. That would be Sam's bill. Okay, in this price, there is the base price plus 10 cents times every text. And the 10 cents we had to change to a decimal. Guillermo, how many texts do you send? You think you send more than Sam or less than Sam?
I do.
Martine, what do you think you send? Okay, so what if we did 1,000? That's going to be some probably easy-ish math, right? Okay, so again, we need the base price plus, wait a minute, help me out. How do I figure out how much his 1,000 texts are going to cost? I need to multiply something. What do I need to multiply?
1,010.
0.00 times 1,000. So 1,000 times 10, but I got it changed into dollars. Okay, so here we go on the calculator. 29.95 plus 0.10 times 1,000 equals 129.95. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and do that for all the other two plans and the other boxes. You're going to end up writing an equation for each, and you're going to graph. Wait, let's look at what our equation for this one would be. The cost per text equals, for plan A, what would the equation equal? Cost per text equal $29.95 plus
Or 0.10.
for every text. Okay, so you're going to need plan B equation and plan C equation. All right, and now let's kind of look at the graph. All right, let's see. We're going to have, wait a minute, what's the dependent variable and independent variable?
The dependent variable is the
Money is dependent because the cost depends on how many texts. So dependent variable, if I'm going to make a graph, does the dependent variable usually go on the x-axis or the y-axis? Dependent variable usually goes on the y. I think this graph would be better if we turn it landscape, because I have a feeling we're going to have a wide range in texting, yes? All right. Everybody make a horizontal line along the bottom. Turn yours landscape and make an x-axis for yourself. And then leave yourself, about a ruler's margin on both sides, because we need to be able to write some values. Okay? What do you think is the maximum number of texts in this room? We're going to go from 0. We already have 500 and 1,000. Who has an idea?
Are we going in months still? Like, how many texts we send in months?
Yeah, per month. What do you think?
What did it cost to go to the bathroom?
What? What does it cost to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, do we have to have or can we just go?
Are some teachers making money off of that? $10, Brody.
That's what I heard.
You gotta take the pass.
Money, how about you go, man?
Sorry. Sorry, Brody. Where's the bathroom class?
I mean, I could have done a math problem, but
Here you go.
for free.
Okay. What do we think? 5,000? Does that sound reasonable?
Sure.
I don't know. We're probably mid-plan right now if we pulled up and looked at usage. But let's say 5,000. Let's see. I've got a lot of tiny little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's gonna be. Should that be 1,000? Because then I'll go about over here. Or 500. 500. So every 10 is going to be 500 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 1,500. I don't know if I'm counting right. They're so little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm going to go to 3,000 just because those little tiny boxes are giving my eyes issues. And we'll see if any of you need more than that. So this is number of texts. Okay, we're labeling our axes. We did some reasonable units, and we try and space things out. Okay, what do you think is going to be... So what's on this y-axis? What's the dependent variable in this situation? The cost. What are we measuring it in? Dollars. Okay, we've measured stuff in yen before. Come on, we gotta be specific. What do we think is the highest cost? How much do we need to spread things out here? One, two, three. Like my phone bill is like $300. I don't know about you. For the whole family. So that's a family amount. And if we're doing it like for one person, I'm thinking yours might be less. But I paid a big bucks to get that unlimited because I have 3 kids. All right. So I don't know. I don't know about these plans. Let's say. If every little dot's $1 here, going up this way. Let's see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not going to be enough, huh? But I'm going to mark them off by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because that would only be $20, and I already see one's $129. So maybe these are 50s. Does that make sense? Or should they be 20s? 20s would look better, huh? 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I don't know if that's going to be enough. I mean, keep marking them off by tens, but maybe we actually should do our problems before we put some numbers in there, okay?
What's the highest one?
Well, so far, we're up to 129, but I'm not sure if they're going to go bigger than that. Well, let's do this, and we can adjust if we have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80. 100. 120. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The very top of my page is 140. Hopefully that's enough. Otherwise, I've got other options. Okay. What I was trying to show you here, sometimes making those axes is the hard part. Now I've got points to plot. Number of texts, 500. That's right here. $79.95. That's almost $80. So I go at 500. We're at 80-ish. Number of texts, 1,000. That's Martine. He's right here. His bill is 130. That's going to be all the way up and halfway between the 140 and 120. Okay? So I'm going to get one more data point for plan A, and I'm going to put a line through these points, okay? One more data point for Plan A. Actually, you will, but I want you to see that you need a separate line for Plan A. Oh wait, this works good. I know one data point is what it costs for Zerotex. Zerotex was $29.95. That's like 30. Okay, so there's 3 points. I'm going to put a line. Plan A. Okay, so just like the Domino's pizza yesterday, you're going to have 3 lines on this graph. To help you make the graph, you're going to fill out this table coming up with some hypothetical number of tests. You might want to make these numbers that you're choosing the same all the way across. You may want to do something different. I don't know. Okay? What do you think would be a good number for our next amount of texts? I think some of you might be in the 2,000 to 3,000 range. I don't know. I remember one year or one bill where it came in a box or a big, thick, fat envelope. That was when I said, "Oh, we need to up our amount of go to the unlimited plan." No, okay, I'm going to put 2,000. I bet there's some of you, if you looked at your usage, you can put a different number here, but I'm thinking about my kids. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Right now, working with your partner, fill in this table, create some equations, and get a graph going, please.